compose myself.
Well, look who decided to lend a hand.
I'll find you. Don't you worry about that. Before you go run off with those back house hippies again,
Can you please find these damn kids? Are you gonna help me out, or just stand there looking pretty? Check the doors and generator. We can't let them leave. You hear me?
I can't save you after all. Don't worry about me. I know
Sissy,
exactly
what the hell are you
needs to be
waiting
done.
on? Get to it!
time to play.
I know they're here.
There you are.
Speak to me.
Even You should have never came here looking for that.
Where y'all run off to?
Listen to me, Johnny. It's time to do what I taught you to do, okay? Can you do that?
You ever watch someone? I'm gonna see your insides before this night's through. I'm gonna find you. I will. I promise.
It always tastes best when it's fresh, don't it?
Hard times is good for people. I know how to raise them. Look at my Johnny. Let's just see where this little trail leads me.
to me? What's going on in that head of yours? Damn! Grandpa's gonna be in a fit if we let them escape. Start searching! Damn it, Johnny. Get your head straight.
Come back here,
Come on
friend.
now. This is pointless, you know.
This will
Quit
help
stalling.
them see more clearly.
You're all gurgle and no guts. I thought you were tougher than that. Don't worry. I'll find you. You wanna know how your friend died? I can show you.
We gotta find them, sweetie. We can't let them leave. Do you understand me?
The bad man's in me. And you're gonna meet him real soon.
That hurt, sweetie!
I'm gonna find you. I will. I promise.
I told you!
Ain't nobody leaving just yet. Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you. Listen now. Everybody's time comes eventually.
You just ain't seen the light yet. That's your problem.
They always try to hide. It's always the same game. Hey, you okay? You seem to have lost a bit of blood. You're all gurgle and no guts. I thought you were tougher than that. fight than this. Come on! Make it interesting, will ya? Y'all need
Remember
to
them
start
folks
pulling
from
your weight
Tulsa,
around
Johnny?
here. This is getting old.
This is just like that. Just spread out and keep hunting.
These others around here ain't so understanding.
I can help you. Now where you swerving off?
Don't worry. I'll find you.
I've got this under control.
Yes.
They're gonna love